Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So in this video, we'll be going to see about manipulation of data from the objects. Okay, we have created an array and we have injected we have pushed, we have created some data and we have pushed into our people's directory, that means people's array. Okay, if I click enter, you might see there is an one to represent the people format. If I console.log and see, you might see there is an only one object because I have pushed only one now. Okay, now I'm clearing this thing because there is so much of the space. So now what I might be going to do is I need to retrieve the data from the array, okay, from the objects. So how to retrieve the data is basically, so I can retrieve the data in the format of raw format, like if I give the people people of 0 is Dinesh, okay, dot name. So I'll be getting the Dinesh name using a dot operator. So to go into an array, that means to enter into an array, to enter into an object after the array, so you'll be having the bunch of details in the object, right? So I have an array called people and I need to get an name of an people in the 0th position. I'll be using the format of like this, okay? Or I need to print all the name which is present in my array using in the format of object format. Let me do this by using one more, let me create one more detail here, Alex, and there is a two details, right? And clearing the console and printing the console one more time, uh, printing the people. There is a two objects, one contains Dinesh and other contains Alex. Okay, so now I will be printing only the names of an array, names of an objects. Okay, let us do using for each. Okay, people dot for each, people dot for each. We'll be using an arrow function inside it now. Okay, using a data, representing a data, and we'll be giving an arrow method to describe our function. Okay, so now I'll be consoling only the names inside my array of objects. Okay, uh, like doing that data dot, that means giving the data, we can give a single person. Okay, single person. Okay, single person dot name. So now what it will be does is, so it will print all the names, that means all the names present in my inside my objects will be printed. Okay, you can see now Dinesh and Alex is only printed because I am retrieving all the name information inside an object. Okay, if I need an age information, I can also print it. Okay, let me clear the console and like this I'm changing the name to age. Okay, I'll be printing the age of an users. Okay, if I need a both name and the age, I can also do it using plus. I'm giving some gap in it. Okay, now you might understand about like single person data. What is meant by single person? Like single person is an parameter which we will be getting from the array. Okay, now we'll be changing it to data because of a space complexity. Okay, now I'll be using a data dot age here itself, and I'll be changing this name uh, to name. Okay, so if I click enter, you might know Dinesh is 35 and Alex is 31. This is we called as object destructuring. Destructure the object and we have printed the objects in the format using for each function to iterate the objects. That means object inside an array, and we have printed in the printed it using for each. So this is how we actually does the manipulation processes. So we'll be seeing more things in JavaScript series. We'll be moving to the DOM part, the document object model, to use the JavaScript with the website to get more interactive things done in the website web pages. So we'll be seeing that in the future videos. So stay tuned for next videos.